Hello, beautiful people. My name is Ashley Ashante, and welcome to Fulbeauti. Today's video is simply on how to measure your wrists. What I have is some measuring tape. I have a piece of notebook paper. I have a ruler. I have a pen, and I have some scissors. So, first things first, if you have measuring tape, here's what you would do when it comes to measuring your wrist. You want to take this in and bring it on your wrist where it's like this. And then what you want to do is take it and wrap it around till you get to the other side. And I measure out to 6 inches. So I can show that again. When you are measuring your wrist with measuring tape, you want to start at this end. Take your wrist like this. Do like that. Bring it around and boom. 6 inches. Okay? So that's one way to do it. And if you don't have measuring tape, that is okay. So if you have a piece of paper and a ruler, you will do just fine. So what I'm going to do with my paper is I'm going to take this ruler, make sure that it is on the inches side, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to take it and I'm going to mark each number so that it's showing the measurements of the inches. So let me just show you a little example. So I got my ruler lined up. Take each one, and this is at 0. So we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I did up to 10 inches. And so what you want to do is just, number each one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when you're finished, your paper should look like this. So this is 1 inch, 2, 3, and so on. So each space is an inch. And so the next thing I will do is take my scissors and cut this out as if it's a ruler. So you can have your own homemade ruler. And it's going to look like this. And so the next thing you want to do is, just as you did the measuring tape, you want to start at, the end where the number 1 is. So that's right here. Start there. Take it. Wrap it around. And then boom. You get the same, sorry, I'm going to do it again. So again, so you want to take it from the end and you're going to wrap it around. So let's say we start, so let's say we start here. Take it, wrap it around, and boom, we're back at 6 inches. Okay, and that's pretty much it, because you want to get your measurements so that when I'm making the bracelets that I would know, what size to make it as. So if you ever want to know how to make your own, this is just, just a little example what I use, before I had, measuring tape. I used like this to measure my wrist out. And again, it comes out to 6 inches. And the same with the measuring tape. Again, you want to take it, wrap it around, and boom, 6 inches. And if you have any questions, please email me. I'll have that link at the bottom of this video. Thank you so much and enjoy.